Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll take you through how to book a flight reservation for a visa application without paying. Are you applying for a visa but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a flight ticket before you even know if you get approved, maybe you get a visa or not? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to book a flight reservation for your visa application without actually paying a dime. You don't have to pay anything before you get your visa approved. So I'm going to show you 3 airlines that you can just get a free bookings from their website. So stay tuned. Step-by-step guide how to get flight reservation for free. So I'm going to show you 3 airlines that you can get reservation for free. So what embassy really wants is a flight itinerary, not a full paid ticket. Some people make the mistake of buying non-refundable tickets. Big mistake. Don't do that mistake. Instead, you just need a temporary booking that shows your travel dates.
You want to Lagos, then you want to, let's say we are going to France and we want to pick a date. We're going on our 1st of May to 11th of April. Then you confirm the date. Then you want to choose whatever that works for you here. Then you want to search for flights. So when you get to this page, you want to choose your type of for your booking. You don't need to do much, just pick light. Then you want to pick return, you want to pick another light. Then you want to continue to next page. Then you have to just wait a little bit. Then you have to fill your name. Let's say I'm traveling, that this is my name. Traveling, or then you want to fill this. Then you want to continue. Then you want to put, let's say, yes, something like this. Then you want to put an email. Then you want to continue. Then you want to continue. So then you want to just wait. Then you want to continue. Just about next. Once you're sure of it, then you want to click on bank transfer. Bank transfer, you need to transfer the total amount immediately to ensure we receive the payment. So this is all you need to do. Just click on this. Then you want to go complete payment. Then you are able to get your booking on hold. So you have a booking on hold, and that's all you need for your trip. So now you have a pending payment. So then, but you have your booking already. So if you want to print, you want to make sure you print Lagos to Paris, you can do like this by print my. But you have to. But this we only do printing from one way. Then you have to come to this place to do your printing too. You have to do print here too, so you have both ways. So because you don't want to do the mistake of just printing one way, like I've done the mistake in the past. So you have to make sure you print this side and you print this side. So then you are good to go. Then you have your flight reservation easy and for free. So just give us a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. And KLM, they are very similar, like they're actually same. So as in it's very straightforward. So you want to choose where you're traveling from. To, let's say you're traveling from Lagos to Houston, and you want to pick your travel date. Let's say we're traveling sometimes ending of May. Then you confirm the date. Then you want to search for flight. Then you just want to pick, once you're sure of the date you're traveling. Let's say we're traveling on this day. Then you want to, just to be straightforward, you can just pick anyone you like as you wish, but I'll just be going with the light, like just to be straightforward. Then you want to choose the return leg. Let's say this return leg. Then you choose the light. Then you come to passengers, just to fill up your details for your booking. So it's quite pretty straightforward and very free. So let's say I'm doing this is my name. Yeah, so then you want to put date of birth. Say this would be my date. Let's say. Then you want to continue. Then you want to put a phone number. Then you want to add your email. Then you continue. Then you continue. Then it will land you to the last page of the booking. So you just want to be patient, a little bit patient. Then you want to continue. You want to continue. Then you want to choose this option, pay through bank transfer. With pay through bank transfer, you get your booking reservation. So the booking will be cancelled automatically, I think 48 hours. So like if you do not receive your payment, the briefest delay, your booking will automatically cancel. So this is all you need for your booking. So you want to then you complete the payment, then you just go and pay like I did with the KLM. So you just want to go next, then you are able to just check out. Then you have a page. Let me just check out just to show you how pretty easy it is. So you just want to wait a little bit and just get to the last page. It will just land us to the last page, which is quite easy. So you have the booking, you just have to make a bank transfer, then you have your booking, then you can print if you wish, like yeah, for your bookings for the embassy appointment. Just want to come here, then you want to book the return leg. So it's always two different pages to book, so you have to be sure you print both sides so that you don't just have one way ticket. So that will be all for to book on Air France, which is pretty easy and straightforward. So this is about the Air France. So thanks for watching. Oh, the third one on the list is Turkish Airline. Turkish Airlines also have some kind of free booking, but not totally free, because you'll be paying a token to hold your reservation. So I'm going to show you how you go about it. Let's say I'm flying from Berlin to Houston. So I want to choose my destination, then I want to pick dates. I'm traveling on this date, then I want to search for flights. Then I just have to wait, then I have to pick, okay, I'm picking economy flights. We just need this for reservation, so we don't have to really worry. We just want to go straight forward. Then you want to go next. Then you want to put your name. Let's say this is my name. Then you have to be sure you're putting the name as it is on your passport. So then you want to put your email as well. Then you want to select phone number. Let's say I'm traveling from. Then you want to go next. So we have to wait for it to boot. Now we go to the next page. So you don't have to worry about picking a seat. You just go next. Just go to the next page. The goal is to get a reservation for our appointment at the embassy. Then you want to go next. So then it takes us to the last page. So this last page, then you want to come to the end, to the last one. Then you want to reserve this flight and pay later. So their old price for 3 days is 42 euros and old price for 7 days is 60 euros. So you want to choose whatever that works for you. So but you don't have to pay for the full price. So all you just need, since you just need it for your appointment, for your embassy appointment, you just need to hold the price for a few days, then you get your printout, which is pretty easy and straightforward. So you want to be sure of which that works well for you. So you have 3 options with Air France, KLM and Turkish Airlines. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll appreciate if you can give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that we're able to give you more tips and hacks. Thanks for watching. So there you have it. Now you know how to get a flight reservation for your visa application without spending a fortune. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more visa tips, drop a comment if you have any questions. Safe travels and good luck